In this guide, we will cover the calendar feature in Blackboard. Juggling competing responsibilities isn't easy. You can use Blackboard's calendar to view consolidated deadlines and course-related events in one place. Please note, not all course deadlines will necessarily show up in the Blackboard calendar. If an assignment does not require students to make a submission through Blackboard, then it will not automatically appear in students' calendars. A good example of this could be student presentations. In these instances, the instructor may add the assignment manually to students' Blackboard calendars, or students can choose to add the assignment themselves as a personal event. Let's begin on the My Blackboard tab, which is also the landing page when logging into Blackboard. Clicking on your name in the top right corner of the page opens your account menu. Next, click on the calendar icon to view deadlines and events across all of your active courses. You can also view your Blackboard calendar from any course via the Tools page by clicking the calendar option from the list of tools. Once you have the calendar open, entries are listed on the right by date. On the left calendar panel, you can change the calendar view to either day, week, or month, and sort by specific courses or organizations that you're a member of. Course items with due dates appear automatically in the course calendar. Select an event to view its details, or edit if you own the event. Lastly, use the Get External Calendar Link option at the bottom left corner of the page to import your Blackboard calendar into an external calendar application, like Outlook. Thank you for watching.